Alright, you have finished writing your paper. You have your title page, your blank page, your table of contents, and then your text starts. The tricky part now is getting your page numbers in. I want to show you how to make your page numbers on Microsoft Word. This is a Mac, but it'll be similar on a PC. So the first thing you want to do is separate out your sections. Anytime you want your page numbers to be different, it should be a different section. So you'll see we just clicked File and then Insert, Section Break, Continuous. You'll see it says Same as Previous. You never want that. So you're going to go to Header and Footer Options and uncheck the box that says Same as Previous. And then you're able to enter whatever you want. In this page, you can just enter page 1 if you want. You don't have to actually enter a page number because it will not be connected to anything else. You want to make sure to match your fonts always. Your page number needs to be the same font as your paper and font size. So when you move to the second page, your page numbers are going to change. So you have to separate the sections between the first page and the second page. So you're going to do the same thing, continuous page section break there. And again, you'll see that it's section 3. So your first section is your title page, your second section is page 1, section 3 is the next page, and you don't want them to be same as previous, so you're going to take that off. You're going to enter a page number there. Now this needs to be page 2, so if you have to edit your page numbers, that can be done in the Insert Page Number drop-down menu at the top. So we're going to do that real quick. Page numbers, and then we want them to be in the right or the center depending on your professor. You don't want them to be linked, and you want to start at page 2 because we manually entered page 1. Now we're going to actually insert the page number here. It'll carry over those formatting options we just did. We're going to put it over on the right side. Now we're going to close that out. And you can repeat this as many times as needed. So you'll need a separate section for your table of contents. You'll need a separate section for your references at the end. Anytime you change chapters and need to move the page numbers to a different place, you're going to need to do that as well. You just need to make sure to put a new section every time you need your page numbers to change in formatting. Also, you want to make sure that every time you do that, you match the font and size. You don't want your page numbers to be different fonts and sizes from your paper or from page numbers on different pages. Also, you want to do this at the end after you've written your whole paper because your section breaks will stay in the same spot. So if you copy a whole block of text and paste it somewhere different, or add a whole block of text ahead of it, or move your paper around, your section break is going to stay after the word you put it. So when you insert new text, you're going to move your sections around and it'll lose the formatting. So you want to make sure to do this at the very end. Make sure that your blank page, your title page, and your table of contents is done before you set these page numbers as well. Because again, if you set your page break after the title and then you enter a blank page, then your page numbers are going to start there on that blank page instead of at the next page of text. So just make sure that your whole paper is done and page numbers is the very last thing that you do.